The Incredible Machine is a really big, progressive, and nice actually project. We spend most of our time in the three last week, I think, to build it, to modify it, and eventually I think we are pretty glad of the result. Our teachers actually helped us a lot, and we are pretty creative in that matter. It took, I think, something about 2.5 weeks. We worked every day for something about 4 or 5 hours, and it was 3 or 5 students even in the Incredible Machine at the same time. If I could, I think that I would repeat it, because after all, it is a really nice project and we all like it. The main difficulty we struggled in the project of the Incredible Machine was the idea that every idea is separated from the other. You can't really see how everything works until you see it. And the Incredible Machine made our friendship really strong, much stronger, and we all felt it, and we keep feeling it.